Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So here's the new app called Honeygain, where you can accumulate points to withdraw $20, and here it gathers your internet data to give you points. So I have gathered around 840.59, and which is equal to $0.84, and you haven't reached the minimum payout. So the minimum payout is $20, and here you can see credits accumulated during the day will be added and available for payout the following day at midnight. And here you can see, since from 30 days it has gathered around 3.23 GB to give me $1 around. And here you can see I have been using 4 mobile devices. You can use more than 6 or 10 for this, but we got to know that the limit is 6, so make sure you check that. And it is also available for the Windows operating system in the Windows 8 or Windows 10 from the app section, and I have shared the link in the description. So if you sign up, you get 10%, and you can also share your link once you sign up to your friends to get 10%. And here comes the more, where you can see here 0.84 is my account balance, and here you can see the payout history or transactions. And next move on to how it works. Here you can see first Android app or else Windows to you install, then share your internet connection for researchers and earn more by connecting more devices. And here you get the payout via PayPal, bank payments, and gift cards are coming soon. Just start earning. And here you can see one of the payment proof from a member of the Facebook group. That's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, tap on the bell icon, also use my link in the description.